Hello and good day everyone. So today I will show you a game which is called the space game. So currently here I already have a pre-made game. So I will explain a little bit of the blocks here. So first is when the game, when the flag is clear. I think you guys already know this. It's all about uh, making sure that all of the blocks, or should I say codes, that is in this that is below this block will actually initiate and write. So here I have put set size to 40. So here the rocket ship will go to 40 set and then go to X and Y. So this is will be the starting point for every game, which is X0 and Y negative 140. And then I put here start sound video game, which will start the game. This sound is the video game one. And then I had created two variables, which is half and score, and I set half to 3 and score to 0. And then this one I had also used a forever block, and in those blocks I had created and 3 is then conditional block, which is if the left arrow key is pressed, it go to X negative 15, if right arrow go to X 15, and then if key space, it will create a clone of this bullet sprite here. So I will be going, so this is for the rocket ship sprite, the script for the rocket ship sprite, and next is for the bullets sprite. So first, what I will do is I will hide the original bullet sprite, and then you guys can see here, right, in the rocket ship is the create clone of the bullet. Then when the bullet is created, we will have also this, you guys can see here on the control block palette, which is when I start as a clone, which is when a sprite is started as a clone. It will have also actions that we can make it do. So for this bullet, it will be first is go to X, which is the X position of rocket ship, and Y position of rocket ship, which you guys can actually found here, which is this one. So it can be off the stage or off a sprite or any kind of sprite here, any sprite we have lah. And then it will show, and then it will repeat until touching edge or touching goes to here. And then it changes Y by 12. And why are we changing 12? It's because the starting position of the bullet clone is the Y position of rocket ship, and you guys can see here the Y position of rocket ship is negative 140. So it will keep going up the bullet. Okay, and then we will put delete this clone. So my next sprite is goes to here. Actually, you guys can also use this one, the monster sprite. Okay, and just going using the ghost to. So either one will be okay. Okay, so what I put in this goes to sprite is when the green flag is lit, height is the same as the bullet, and then in the forever block I will put next costume, which is this 3 costume. So it will go to the next costume, and next costume, and then it will create a clone of myself. So because this block is in the ghost to sprite, it will just create a clone of myself. So it's not like create a clone of ghost 2 like for the bullet. For the bullet, it is because the create clone is in the rocket ship script and not in the bullet script itself. Okay, and then wait 2 seconds. So in every 2 seconds there will be a new clone of this ghost 2. So the script for when I start as a clone is first show, and then go to X, pick random. So here you guys can find the pick random operator. So it's random from negative 200 to 200, and then Y 180. So it will start at the top here. So it will repeat until negative 170 more than Y position. So lesser than negative 170 here, the sprite will also not go down anymore. So that is the condition. And then it will change by Y by negative 3. So that is how it goes down. How the sprite goes down from up here. Okay, and then here it will be the if touching bullet. We will change the score here, which is this block. The change block here, we can change our variables. Okay, So it's like a living variable, isn't it? So here, change half. So for first I will put the change score by 1. So if it's the bullet, score will increase by 1, and then when it is deleted, it will start the sound zoom, and then the clone of the ghost 2 would be deleted. And then if touching rocket ship, it will change half by -1. So our half here, the half tree here will decrease. And if half equal to 0, then wait 0.5 seconds and stop on. So it kind of like game over. So I will show you guys the initial code here, the game. You can see here. Okay, so when we hit the monster, the ghost we will increase our score. If it hit the rocket ship, it will minus our health. So when it has equal 0, it will stop everything. Okay, so that is our initial code. So what I'm going to do next will be a bit more interesting, in which we will use actually, instead of all these codes here, which is left arrow, right arrow and everything, we will actually use our hand to control the game. Okay, so we can do this by using this extension that can find here, which is the human body detection. Okay, so now let's be okay. So what I would do is I would change something here. Okay, so I will do this, and then I will put the video stage on here with 50% transparency. So I will delete this thing. So I will just have this one, which is escape. That's basically press and create a clone of bullet. And what it will do is also it will analyze image here, analyze image hand from camera for the hand detection here. This one of post detection. Okay, and next we will put here, if a hand is detected here, hand detected, then what we will do is it will change this also. It will set X to X, this one would be the what position will X move to. Okay, then you can see here, storm, top of thumb, middle of thumb, middle two of thumb. So you guys can see lah. So these are all our fingers, right? So I will put top of thumb, and then Y would still be what, -140, which is our initial case here. Okay, so now let's try. So I need to actually open my camera for this, and I need to take my hand. So here I'm using my hand, and actually also the space key to play this game, which is a little bit difficult. Okay, let's continue. Okay. It's a bit difficult, isn't it? So let me try getting my whole hand. So yep. So it's moving according to my hand. fine. Okay. Okay, so I think that would be all, yeah, for this project. So next I will put it turn off. Okay. Okay, so this is this better game with hand detection. I hope you guys will try it, and see you guys for the next activity. Thank you.